press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello children, today just we are continuing with our previous topic, practical geometry. What we have discussed, how to construct parallel lines, two parallel lines by using transversal concept, by using co-interior angles and alternately interior angles are equal, like that. By using that concept, just we know how to construct parallel lines, and then we know how to construct triangle when we know the sides of a triangle by using SSS criteria. Here in this class, what we are going to be discussed means constructing a triangle when the lengths of two sides and the measure of angle between them are known. Constructing a triangle when the lengths of two sides and the measure of angle between them are known. Here what they are giving in the question itself, they are giving one angle which is included in between the two sides known. Okay, here in corresponding angle, congruent triangles concept we already know. SAS criteria. What SAS criteria will tell? If under given corresponding two triangles are said to be congruent. If two sides and included angle of one triangle is equal to two sides and included angle of another triangle, then only we can tell that two triangles are congruent. Correct? Here what they are giving, they are giving two sides and included angle between the sides. Then we have to construct the triangle. Okay, just by using one example, first I will tell how to construct a triangle when two sides and angle included them are known. Okay, construct, example this one, construct a triangle, PQR, given that PQ equals to 3 centimeters, QR equals to 5.5 centimeters and angle PQR is equals to 60 degrees. Here we know, in the question itself they are giving one side, that is PQ equals to, we have to construct triangle PQR. The triangle named PQR, in that they are giving PQ side. What is the measurement of the PQ side? 3 centimeters, and QR also they are giving, that is 5.5 centimeters. See here in these both two, which point is the common? Q. If we know Q only, we can construct the triangle because it is the induced angle. Here see here also they are giving PQR. That means angle Q is equals to 60 degrees. Now we have to construct a triangle. Okay, first we have to write, since whatever the given we have in the question, just we have to write, since we have to, what we have to do? We have to construct a triangle PQR. We have to construct a triangle PQR where PQ equals to 3 centimeters, correct, and QR equals to 5.5 centimeters, and included angle of PQ and QR is Q, angle Q measurement also they are giving in the question itself only. What it is? Angle PQR equals to 60 degrees. Angle PQR equals to 60 degrees. Angle PQR equals to 60 degrees. First we have to draw a rough diagram. Rough diagram means whatever there is in the question, just symbolically you have to represent. Rough diagram. Rough diagram. First base what we have to take, whatever we want we can take that one, because in both the Q is there, correct? Just I am taking here P, Q as base like this, that is 3 centimeters. Okay, and constructed a triangle PQR. This is 3 centimeters and QR is 5.5 centimeters, and angle between these two is 60 degrees. That is angle PQR is 60 degrees. And the knee diagram I am going to construct. If you know how to just you want to elaborate, means just you have to write the construction also. Okay. Neat diagram, but it is enough if you write whatever you are doing. Parallel lines, in parallel lines how I make you to write the construction, point step by step, like that also you can write here. PQ what we have to take, 3 centimeters, just you have to take one ruler and then you have to draw a line segment of length 3 centimeters, of length 3 centimeter, of length 3 centimeters. Just I am using this one. Just this is a line segment of length 3 centimeters. 3 centimeters. And then what we have to, first you have to write in construction also, you have to write construction steps. If you are writing andre, first you have to write, make a line segment, PQ equals to 3 centimeters. Make a line segment PQ equals to 3 centimeter. And then what you have to do andre, and then you have to do an angle by using the protractor. You have to draw an angle. Okay, here just I am coinciding the protractor center with the Q point, and then just I am taking the upper scale here, and then 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. 60 degrees. And then here you have to write through Q point Q, draw angle PQR equals to 60 degrees. And then by using PQ we did 3 centimeters, and then QR they are giving. QR how we can do? Just by cutting, by using the compass only. Just you have to measure these arc as 5.5 centimeter and you have to cut these Q extended line. Correct? And the intersection of these arc and these line enlarged is known as arc. Okay. See here children, just I am taking 5.5 centimeters. 5.5 centimeters. Here I took larger, that's why I am taking here also larger one. Because you have to see it Allah, that's why I am taking the double. For this only I am just experimenting. One minute children. Correct? And then just I am prolonging it. Correct? This one is 5.5 centimeters. This one is 5.5 centimeter. Using compass, draw an arc. of 5.5 centimeter, 5.5 centimeter, which will cut through by using compass. Draw an arc of 5 centimeters from point Q, which will cut the ray. The point of intersection is what is the point of intersection? I already told you, that is R. The point of intersection is R, and I am measuring this one is as 5.5 centimeter. That is only I am writing here. And then lastly, finally you have to write this is, therefore this is required triangle PQR. This is required triangle PQR. Okay children, here what we are doing, just whatever there in the question, just I am writing them correct, since we have to construct a triangle PQR where PQ equals to 3 centimeter given, QR equals to 5.5 centimeter, this is also given, and angle PQR equals to 60 degrees. And then just I am doing how in previous exercise how we did like that only, just I am taking one rough diagram which will illustrate all the measurements, correct? And then I am taking the neat diagram. First I am taking the line segment PQ of length 3 centimeters, and then 60 degrees of angle through Q, and then just I am cutting the arc, prolonged Q, just the ray which is prolonged from the Q, that I am cutting with an arc of 5.5 centimeter. The intersection point is Q, just I am naming. Therefore, just I am jointing all them. Then I am getting, just I am jointing QRP, okay, and then I am getting a required triangle with the PQ equals to 3 centimeters, QR equals to 5.5 centimeter, and included angle between PQ and QR as 60 degrees. That is angle PQR equals to 60 degrees. This is the example problem children. Just I am going into the exercise. I think you are understanding. If they give induced angle only, we can construct. Otherwise, just we can't construct. Correct? Okay, children, write this one. Exercise 10.3. Exercise 10.3. First question. Construct triangle DEF such that D equals to 5 centimeters, DF equals to 3 centimeters, and measure of, we have to read this one as measure of EDF equals to 90 degrees. Measure of EDF equals to 90 degrees. Okay, solution. In solution, what we have to write? Given we have to construct, which triangle we have to construct? We have to construct a triangle DEF, where DE equals to 5 centimeters, DF equals to 3 centimeter, and they are giving the induced angle only, people, because DE and DF, the common point is D and induced angle is EDF, that is 90 degrees, and measure of EDF equals to 90 degrees. That means just we are constructing a right angle triangle because angle D is 90 degrees. After that, what we have to do? We have to draw a rough diagram. We have to draw a rough diagram. By seeing this one, children, just I know that we are going to construct a right angle triangle. That's why I am also doing right angle triangle, constructing right angle triangle as rough, and angle D is 90 degrees. DEF. D as 5 centimeters, DE I am taking as base, and DF as 3 centimeters. DF as 3 centimeters, whatever given, just roughly I am taking this blueprint. After that, what we have to do? Neat diagram we have to, by using that measurements, we have to draw a neat diagram. By using that measurements, we have to draw a neat diagram. Correct, children? What we have to do for that one? We have to just take D as base and then 90 degrees, and we have to construct a 90 degrees angle through D by using protractor, and then by using the compass we have to measure 3 centimeters and then just cut the ray. See here, base we have to take as 5 centimeters, correct? DE, that is DE as 5 centimeters, 5 centimeter, and then see here, children, and then 90 degrees I am taking. This lower triangle I am taking because we are taking here when we have to take the lower scale, when we have to take the upper scale. Already I told you, children, here I am taking the lower scale, that is 90 degrees. 90 degrees, no problem will be happen because, okay. After that, D, which point we know? Through D, DF equals to 3 centimeters. By using the compass, just we have to measure the arc of this compass as 3 centimeter, and we have to cut this ray, okay? 3 centimeters. See here, children, just I am taking only 3 centimeters. I am taking only 3 centimeters. Just I am keeping the point end here and the chalk end here. This is 3 centimeters, and the point of intersection of arc and the ray is F. And then what I am doing? Just I am joining FE. Just I am joining FE. If you have any doubt, children, just you have to measure. See here, children, I am constructed a triangle of DE of length 5 centimeters, and this is as 90 degrees protractor already we measured. Here DF, see here, children, 3 centimeters. I am taking DF as 3 centimeters. Okay, children, this is the required triangle DEF. This is the required triangle DEF. I think you can do, children, this one. Actually, in your earlier classes only you know how to draw the line segment, how to draw the angles, bisectors without using just constructing a angles without using a protractor like that. That's why it is very easy for you children. Just you can do. I think you are understanding this one. And next question, just I am moving to the next question, children. This exercise only. Construct an isosceles triangle. Construct an isosceles triangle in which construct an isosceles triangle in which the lengths of each of its sides, equal sides is, construct an isosceles triangle in which the lengths of each of its equal sides is 6.5 centimeters and the angle between them is 110 degrees. Here in the question itself what they are telling, we have to construct a isosceles triangle. What is isosceles triangle? A triangle in which two sides are equal. A triangle in which two sides are equal is called isosceles triangle. Okay, we have to construct that isosceles triangle. Measurements they are giving, in which the lengths of each of its equal sides is, in which length of each of its equal sides is 6.5 centimeters. Equal sides length ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Just they are telling the length of the equal sides is 6.5 centimeter and the angle between them is 110 degrees. That means we are going to construct a obtuse angled isosceles triangle. Obtuse angled isosceles triangle. Just you have to recall all the properties because otherwise we can't remember them. What? They are not giving the name which we have to construct. Just I am giving the name of the isosceles obtuse angle triangle as triangle ABC. Given to construct isosceles triangle ABC, where AB equals to 6.5 centimeters and BC equals to 6.5 centimeter, and they are giving the angle between A and B. What will be the angle between A and B? The induced angle. Of course, the point in between AB and BC common is B. That's why included angle will be B. That is angle ABC equals to, just in B of this we can write angle B also. Okay. The angle ABC equals to what they are giving? 110 degrees. 110 degrees. 110 degrees. And rough diagram I am writing here, children. In between anything AB or BC, just I have to take one thing. One as AB as 6.5 centimeters and then BC as 6.5 centimeter. The angle between AB and BC as 110 degrees. 110 degrees. This is obtuse angle. In rough diagram also you can take that only. Okay. This is 6.5 centimeters. This is 6.5 centimeters. And then what we have to do? We have to construct a neat diagram of triangle ABC. What it is? The triangle ABC is the measurement of isoscalars obtuse angle triangle. First base what we have to take? AB we have to take as A. AB ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 6.5 centimeters of AB. AB ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 6.5 centimeters. See here children, just I am taking this measurement only to the arc from B because this is also 6.5 because ABC is isosceles triangle. From here just I am putting one arc and then by using this protractor just I am drawing a marking 110 degrees. See 110 degrees. This is obtuse angle. Just I am taking here this upper scale I am taking here and just I am joining B and the arc. Okay, point and the arc. The point of intersection of arc and the ray B which is extended from B is C. And this one is 6.5 centimeter obviously because by compass we measured it 6.5 centimeter. If you have any doubt just measure this one. See here 6.5 centimeter, 6.5 centimeter. I also constructed correctly. This is required isoscalars obtuse angle triangle. Okay children, and then just move on to the next question. Construct triangle ABC. Construct triangle ABC with BC equals to 7.5 centimeters. BC equals to 7.5 centimeters. AC equals to 5 centimeters and measure of C equals to 60 degrees. Measure of C equals to 60 degrees. This also we have to do same because first we have to check the question whether they are giving two sides and included angle or not. Here see here triangle ABC we have to construct and then BC and AC sides they are giving and included angle. What will be the included angle in BC and AC? See, of course the measure of angle C they are giving, that is 60 degrees. Just you have to write given we have to construct triangle ABC. BC equals to 7.5 centimeters, AC equals to 5 centimeters and measure of C equals to 60 degrees and measure of included angle between BC and AC is 60 degrees. Rough diagram we have to plot first. Draw first. A, B, C. Which they are giving? BC. BC I am taking as base 7.5 centimeter. AC as 5 centimeter, and the angle between these two sides is 60 degrees, and the angle between these two sides is 60 degrees. And the neat diagram, that means just I am constructing a perfect measurements of the triangle ABC. Okay, base what we have to take? We have to take base as 7.5 centimeter, and we have to name it as BC. Base we have to take as BC, and we have to measure that one as 7.5 centimeter line segment we have to draw first. See here, from here to 7.5 centimeter. This is BC, and then 5 centimeters of first I am taking. After that, just we have to take one. We have to take. We have to construct an angle through C. Just I am coinciding the center of protractor with the line BC, and then I am taking the upper scale here, and there I am putting one point. Just I am taking one ray here through C. Through C I am taking one ray which will give us 60 degrees of angle with BC, and then we have to measure AC, and we have to construct, we have to cut this ray with 5 centimeters of a the intersection of ray and the arc will give the point A, and will give the point A. Okay. Here I have measured with this compass. I measured 5 centimeters, and just I am cutting this ray, and just I am cutting this ray, and I am labeling these as A, AB as, and then I have joined AB, naming AC as 5 centimeters, naming IC as 5 centimeter. What I have did here, first I have taken BC as the base, that is 7.5 centimeter, and then I have drawn a angle 60 degrees through C. That means I have constructed one ray here, and then I have drawn a arc of radius 5 centimeter which will cut the ray through C, and then just this is the, and then I have joined AB. Okay, the point of intersection of these two is A, and this is required. This is required triangle ABC with given measurement. ABC with given measurements. Hope you understand, children. Thank you.